Here's why investing in Lesotho will help your business grow. Lesotho has preferential access to major export markets, including the USA and the EU. Our workforce is literate, hardworking, easily trained, and speaks English. Our labor rates are highly competitive. Our people are friendly and hospitable. The country is a safe and secure place in which to work and relax. The Lesotho government offers tax incentives, including corporate tax of just 10%. The Lesotho National Development Corporation exists to partner you on your investor journey. Please contact them. Their experts are waiting to advise you on how to make your growth plans a reality. We already have a manufacturing sector largely based on foreign direct investment. It centers on textiles, footwear, and automotive components. There is a tremendous opportunity to manufacture goods in Lesotho for export to major markets. Under the Africa Growth Opportunity Act, Lesotho can potentially export around 6,400 products to the USA, many more than now. It has preferential access to the European Union under the Everything But Arms scheme and China under the General System of Preferences. Lesotho also has tariff and quota-free access to the Southern African Customs Union and the Southern African Development Community. There are nearly 20 investment opportunities in the manufacturing sector.